In this video, I'm going to be sharing a few different tips to help you get started with affiliate marketing in 2020. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing a few different tips if you're thinking about getting started with affiliate marketing in 2020. Now, maybe you probably heard about affiliate marketing and how many people are using it to make money online, or maybe you've never heard of affiliate marketing before at all. But basically, I'm going to just explain a few different tips and how you can use it to start earning money online. Now, if you're completely brand new to the concept of affiliate marketing, it's basically where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a specific link, which is called an affiliate link, and that's going to be traced back to you. So when you get your affiliate link and you're going to be promoting whatever product it is, you're going to be promoting that product on, let's say, a blog or maybe your own website. When somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they purchase the product that you're promoting, then you're going to earn a commission. Now, the concept of affiliate marketing is pretty simple to understand, but there's a lot more involved to it than that if you're trying to become successful with it. So that's why in this video, I'm going to be sharing a few different tips to help you become better at affiliate marketing. But before I share these tips, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get right into it. So I just explained what affiliate marketing is, but there's a few things that you're going to need when you first get started. So let me talk about the first one. So when you're getting started with affiliate marketing, you're going to have to pick a niche or a niche, however you want to pronounce it. So basically, this is going to be a specific category that you're going to be focusing on. Now, when you pick a niche or a niche, I recommend going with something that you're really passionate about. Don't go with something that's going to make you the most money, because when you're creating content, and you are going to have to create content when it comes to whatever niche that you're promoting, you're going to lose interest if you're not promoting something that you're passionate about. So if you're somebody who's into fitness, you like to eat healthy, you like to be in shape, I would recommend going with the health and fitness niche, because that's something that's relatable to you. And it's something that you would be passionate about, and you can probably see yourself creating content around for like the long term. Now, if you're somebody who's interested and fascinated when it comes to like making money online, then that's probably a better niche for you to go with. The reason why I recommend that you pick a niche is because you don't want to just be promoting random products, because you're going to have a hard time getting people to buy those affiliate products, because in order for somebody to buy a product that somebody else is referring to them, they have to be able to trust that person and know that there's some type of value in that product. That person who's going to buy that product, they have to be sure that they're going to get their money's worth from buying that product. So if you're somebody who's just going to promote random products that are completely unrelated to each other, let's say you're promoting a book as an affiliate product, and then you're promoting a weight loss supplement, and that book is about let's say Star Wars or something like that. Those products are completely unrelated. So you're going to have a hard time to get consistent sales or just grow an online business promoting completely unrelated products. That's why I recommend that you pick a niche. So if you're going with the health and fitness niche, you should be promoting products that are related to health and fitness. So like I mentioned as the example, you can promote a book, but as long as it's related to health and fitness. It can be a book sharing maybe a few different exercises or tips to help somebody lose weight. And then you can also promote a weight loss supplement that's going to help somebody lose weight. So those products are related to each other. Now, once you pick a niche and you find one that you're really passionate about and you can see yourself creating content around for the long term, the next thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to pick a program. So there's plenty of different affiliate programs out there, and there's a lot where you can actually sign up for free to start promoting affiliate products. The most common one, the most popular one is going to be Amazon Associates. A lot of people are using Amazon to earn some extra money on the side along with their other online businesses. So basically, if you want to join Amazon Associates, you first need to have a website. And then once you have your website, basically you can promote any product that is sold on Amazon as an affiliate. So you basically sign up, you provide proof that you have a website, and then you can promote any product on their platform as an affiliate. Now, Amazon is a good one to get started with, but to be honest with you, they don't really pay a whole lot when it comes to commissions. They pay anywhere between 4 to 12%. It depends on what category that you're promoting. Another great free affiliate program to get started with is called clickbank.com. Now this program I would recommend for people because they pay a lot more when it comes to their commissions. I mean, you just have to look at the products and just see which one is related to your niche and which one is going to make you a decent amount of profit. I mean, it depends on what type of commissions they're paying out because they have their individual vendors on there. But I mean, I think the most they pay is like up to 40% commission depending on what product or category that you choose to go with. Now there's even paid affiliate programs that you can get started with, and those tend to pay a lot more when it comes to commissions. Those programs are usually known as high ticket commissions, meaning that if somebody signs up under your affiliate link or they buy a product under your affiliate link, you're going to make anywhere between $200 and up for every commission. But if you're just trying out affiliate marketing just to see how you like it or just to see what kind of results you're going to get, I mean, I would just recommend just trying out the free programs. Now, once you pick your niche and you found the program that you want to go with, the next thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to pick a product to promote. Now, I think this is probably where most people get stuck because they're more focused on like having the perfect product that is going to solve somebody's problems. I mean, you don't have to have the perfect product. As long as the product that you're going to promote, you know it's going to solve somebody's problem, then you should definitely go with that product. Most people want to find a product that is going to solve somebody like their whole problem, their whole life. It's going to change their life completely. It's going to make them a millionaire, or it's going to help somebody lose 100 pounds. I mean, you just have to find a product that you know is going to solve at least one problem for somebody in your target audience. Another thing to keep in mind when it comes to picking a product is you should look at the commissions that you're going to earn every time somebody buys that product for you. Is it worth the time and effort that it's going to take for you to create content and promote that product for the commissions that you're going to earn? Now the next part is for people who have a budget to spend on affiliate marketing. So the next part is going to be running paid advertisement. So if you have a budget already to spend on advertisement, you have to figure out which method are you going to go with. You can choose to go with solo ads. Now this is basically like a one-off type of thing where you're paying somebody who has a huge email list, and you're paying for a fraction of their email list to be sent to your product that you're promoting. But that's not usually high quality traffic because there's a lot of people that they actually pretty much send or rent their email list to and just promote products that aren't really good. So if you're gonna run paid advertisements, I would recommend that you probably go with like running Facebook ads or ads on YouTube or even Google ads, but those can get kind of expensive. Now, if you don't have a budget to run paid advertisements, the next thing that you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to create content, like I mentioned earlier. So creating content can come in many forms. So if you have a blog, you can create blog posts that's gonna be related to the niche that you're in, where you can pretty much promote your affiliate products. If you have a YouTube channel, you can do the same thing. You can create YouTube videos where you're gonna create content based on the niche that you're in, and you're gonna promote your affiliate products. The same thing goes with your own website. Now, if you have Facebook, like a Facebook fan page, you can do the same thing. Now, when it comes to creating content, you're gonna have to deliver value. Like I mentioned earlier, when it comes to affiliate marketing, people have to be able to trust you first before they're willing to buy a product that you're promoting to them. If you're brand new to this whole online business, you have no social following at all, people don't know who you are, and more than likely, they don't know the product that you're promoting to them. Unless it's a popular product that a lot of other people are promoting. I mean, they might have heard about that product before, but they don't know who you are. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create valuable content that's going to be addressing a problem that maybe somebody in your target audience is dealing with. So let me just give you an example. So delivering valuable content can mean different things depending on what niche that you're in. So if you're in the weight loss niche, delivering valuable content can be maybe sharing some weight loss tips to help somebody lose weight. Or if you're in the make money online niche, you can be sharing maybe a few different investing methods that's going to help somebody actually make more money or save some money. But the best way to look at it is like this. Let's say that this is your target customer, whatever niche that you're in. Let's say that maybe you're in the weight loss niche. So this person is overweight. So I'm going to just draw them like a little bit chubbier. So this person is overweight and their whole goal is to lose weight. So they're trying to be skinnier, healthier, whatever. So they're going to be happier because they lost weight. So basically, this is where they're at right now, and your job is to help them get to this point in their life. So what's something that can actually help them to get to this point? So this is, you have to be like kind of like a bridge to help them get from this point in their life to this point. So what's something that's going to help them out? So it can be like maybe a weight loss product, or maybe like a program that's going to help them lose weight. Maybe it can be like a fitness program or a fitness boot camp that's going to help them lose weight. So that's something to consider when it comes to getting people or delivering value in the content that you're creating. So if you have a YouTube channel and you're in the weight loss niche, what you can do is you can actually maybe create valuable content where you're going to be sharing a few different exercises or weight loss tips to help somebody get from here to here. So when you help somebody get from here to here, I mean, you're going to start to build trust in their eyes, and you're going to be looked at as an authority figure. So you start to grow a following, and basically then you can promote your weight loss supplement or your weight loss affiliate product, whatever it is. So it should be whether it's a program or a product, that product is gonna act as the bridge to get them from here to here. So that's all you should be doing when it comes to delivering valuable content. So the best way to figure out like what's something that your target audience is struggling with is just to put yourself in their shoes. Now, like I mentioned earlier, if you choose to go with the niche that you're really passionate about, you're going to understand their pain points and the problems that they're dealing with. So if let's say maybe you yourself have been overweight and you know what the struggles are, maybe just walking up the stairs or bending over to tie your shoes, how much of a struggle it is. When other people who are healthier or skinnier, it's like not a big deal for them at all. So maybe you've been overweight, you lost that weight, and now you're in the weight loss niche and you want to help other people who were struggling with the same thing you're struggling with or you were struggling with. So that's how you can have an advantage when you choose to go with the niche that you're really passionate about. Now the last tip that I want to share with you is anytime that you're creating content, whether it's emails to your email subscriber list or YouTube videos or Facebook posts, whatever, even a podcast, what you're going to want to do after creating valuable content is give a call to action, which is also known as a CTA. So basically what a call to action is letting the person who's watching your content or reading your content, you're just letting them know what you want them to do next. So after you've delivered your valuable message, your content, you can just say, hey, if you're tired of living this way, if you want to get started with the solution to your problems, if you want to take the first step, or if you're ready to take action, click this link to get started. And basically just have your link, which is basically your affiliate link, and that's going to take them to the sales page of the product that you're promoting to them. Now, some people, they might not feel comfortable doing this because they feel like salesy or like a salesman or too pushy. But basically, if you don't give a call to action, the people who are reading or consuming your valuable content, they're going to say, okay, that was cool. You know, I got some value from it. I enjoyed this content, and that's it. They're just going to go somewhere else. They're not going to assume, or they're not going to know right away what you want them to do unless you give them a call to action. So those are the basics when it comes to getting started with affiliate marketing in 2020. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys learned something new if you're brand new to affiliate marketing or you're thinking about getting started. So if you guys got some value from this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you're somebody who's interested in getting started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's basically it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.